Hello dear students, welcome to the computer class of Standard 10. Today we are going to begin chapter 3 Handling Images in HTML, where we will discuss how to work with the images in our HTML file, how to insert the images in a web page, how to create hyperlink on an image, and how to by clicking on this hyperlink how to move in the detailed page of that particular image. Students, we are already seeing so many websites nowadays, the shopping sites like Amazon, Flipkart. On all these sites we are just seeing the images. In the image form all the items are shown to us, and then after in which item we are interested, just by clicking on that item we are going to move forward to that description page. In that page the description relevant to that item is available. So this concept how to create in HTML, that we are going to discuss in today's chapter. So let's start the chapter. Now we will see how to insert image in a web page. So for that first we will go to the local disk D. Here you can see that chapter 4 folder is available. In this folder first we will copy all the pictures file that we want to insert in our web page. So here you can see all the pictures file, copy it, and then after go to the local disk D, open chapter 4 folder and paste it over here. So here you can see all the images are pasted over here, and here you can see what is the format of our image files, that is .jpg image. So before start your practical, select all the images that you want to insert in your web page and copy it in like this one folder. Now minimize this window. Now we will open or start our coding to insert image. So for that we will open our notepad program. Now we will type our coding here. So first it will begin with the HTML code. Then after body. Now which tag is there to insert image in a web page? We have img tag. Img stands for image tag. And here the compulsory attribute of img tag, that is src. src means source. Here we have to provide our source file, means which image we want to insert in a web page. So for that we will go to our chapter 4 folder. Here you can see so many images are there. Which image you want to insert, you have to write down that image name properly here with its format. So first desert image is there that I want to insert. So I will write down desert spelling properly with its image format. So desert in the double quotation mark we have to write. So desert dot jpg. Now some of the attributes are there, that is height. How much tall you want to display image on a web page. So that you can set either in the form of pixel or in the form of percentage. I am setting height over here, that is 20%. Then after next is a width. Width is also 20%. Now next is a border. I want to apply border along with the image. So border size, thickness of the border is 4. So these are the attributes you can use along with the image tag. Now closing image tag. Students, image tag is a empty tag. So closing image tag is not required. Now closing body and closing HTML. Just before we already discussed about absolute and relative path. So here which type of path we have provided here? Students, this is the relative path. Means only source file name is written, not a location. Why location is not provided here? Because we will save both this file at the same location. So that is why we have to save this file also in a chapter 4 folder. So local disk D and open chapter 4. Now here you can give any file name according to your wish. I am giving here image.html. So now our file is saved. Don't close this window, just minimize this window. And now here you can see image our HTML file. So just to see the output, double click on this file. Here you can see this is our browser window and this is our image. Before also we discussed image here, but that at that time we set image as a background of the browser window, and now the topic is here how to display image on a web page. So like this you can insert so many images according to your wish. So like this we will insert the second image also. If you want the same formatting, you can copy our same earlier coding. Now I will paste it, and just image name we have to change. Here tulip image is also there. So instead of desert I am writing now tulip.jpg. Then after height and width is same. Now we will save the file and open the browser window and press F5 key to open the file. Have you seen that image not came? Why? To check that one, you just go there and check the tulip spelling. See, there was a spelling mistake. So remember student, if you will write down wrong image name, then image will not be visible there. Now you just check the spelling properly. TULIPS is there and S was not written. So now you just type S here, save your file again, go to the browser window and now F5. So now you can see here this image is visible over here. If you want to display the image in a next line, then you can add BR tag here in your previous line. Now save the file again. If any changes you are making, remember every time you have to save your file. Now go to the browser and press F5. So you can see here. Now you just see here space is not coming between the image. So how to give space between the image? So we have two attributes here, X space and V space. X space is used to provide the horizontal space and V space is used to provide the vertical space. So here we want to provide the space vertically. So I am writing V space attribute and that I am giving 50. Size I am giving that is 50. So now we will save the file again. Now see the output and press F5. So you can see here that space is added over here. So this is our how to insert image in a web page. So like this, so many images you can insert according to your wish. And if you want to increase or decrease the size of the image, then you can decrease the percentage over here. So this is about that. I hope you understood this one. So now we will see how to create hyperlink on this image. Means when we will click on this image, we will redirect to its introduction or information page. How to do this one? For that we will see the next coding. So we already know that for the hyperlink we need two pages. So for that first we will see that this is our, we'll open the new notepad screen. Here we will create another page, the information page about our first image, that is desert. So first HTML, then after body, and with just heading tag only one line I am writing. With H1 heading tag, one line I will write it down, that information about desert, and closing H1 tag and closing body, closing HTML. to make the web page attractive, you can set background color for this web page. So BG color attribute you can use here, and any color you can specify as a background color. So here I am writing pink. So this is our second file, and when we will click on the image, this file will be open. And remember students, this file also we have to save in the same folder. All the files must be saved together, then only hyperlink will work. Otherwise, if the file is stored at the different location, it will not open in a browser when you will click on the image. So here I am writing down the name of my file, that is desertinfo.html, and click on save. Now you just go to the D. Here you can see here desert info file. Just click on it. See, this is our information page. Means when we will click on this desert image, it will directly open our this second web page. So we will create link between them. How to create this one, that we will see first now. So first you just open here this one file, our image file. See, this is to open it in a notepad. Do right click here and select open with notepad option. Here you can see that this is already how to create the hyperlink here, that I will show you now. See students, this is the hyperlink coding that I have already written. You just see, we already know that hyperlink we can create with the help of a tag, anchor tag. Then after the compulsory attribute of a tag, that is href hyperreference. And here we will provide our destination page. Means when we will click on this image, we will move forward to our desertinfo.html page. So here this page name is written. Make sure that your file name must be correct here. If you will write it down any wrong name, then your file will not open. And remember one thing, this your image and your this file, both must be saved at the same location. Now you can see, after we have written the same coding, our image is as it is there, image src, our image height width, the same thing is there. Then after just closing a tag and our br tag. Okay, now you just save this file, okay, and open the browser window and just click on a first. See, this is information about desert. Now we move forwarded to that page. So this is about how the hyperlink works. Now the same type of hyperlink we will create for the tulip. Here student, the tulip page is already created by me. I will show you. You can see here, this is tulip info. Okay, just by double clicking on it, we will see information page about tulip. So now we will create the link for that one. How to create this one? For that we will move forward to our notepad program. Okay, we will just keep this thing as it is, because this thing will work as a link. Our image will work as a link. So first of all, we have to write it down here, a tag. A stands for anchor. Then after href. Now in the href, which file we will write it down? We want to open tulip info. So spelling must be correct. So tulipinfo.html. This is our source file where we want to move. Now our starting a tag is over. Now whatever is written between starting and closing a tag, that is our image. Okay, so this will provided as a link to you. Means when you will click on this image, you will move forward to this tulips info page. Now here at the end, you just write it down, closing a tag, to close our hyperlink. Now our second hyperlink is also ready. You just save the file again to save the changes whatever we made. Now open the browser window refresh the page by pressing the F5 key. Now you just click on the second image, and now you can see you just forwarded to the next page, that is information page about Tulip. So students, this is about the creation of image hyperlink. How to create hyperlink on an image. When I will click on the first link, I will move forward to the desert page. When I will click on the second link, I will move forward to the information page about Tulip. It is very simple students. You can see here just one line coding is there. Just you have to remember the tag's name and its attribute properly. To insert image, simple tag we have img tag, and the compulsory attribute is a src attribute. Then after, these are the optional attributes. If you want to use, you can use, otherwise you can skip this one. Then after, to create the hyperlink, we have the same tag, a tag. A stands for anchor. So then the compulsory attribute is the href, and in the href we are providing our source file where we want to move. Instead of text here, what we are writing, image, means when you will click on the image, you will move forward to the next page. If text is written, then when you will click on the text, you will move forward to the next page. So hyperlink is used to connect two or more web pages with each other. So this is the concept about creation of hyperlink on an image with the help of a tag. I hope you understood this one. Thank you students.